In a small, humble town, there lived a 16-year-old boy named Ollie. He wasn't rich, but he had big dreams. Every day, he worked hard, saving every penny he could. His family struggled, and he knew that one day he wanted to change their lives. But for now, he sat in his room, watching videos on his old phone. He had heard stories of people making huge profits from meme coins, an investment that seemed almost too good to be true. It gave him hope. Hope for a better life. Hope for a chance to change his future. With a small amount of savings, just $1,000, Ollie felt ready to take the leap. It was everything he had, but in that moment, it felt like the key to a brighter tomorrow. A few days later, Ollie's screen lit up with a flashing headline. To the moon meme coin, 1,000x gains coming. Influencers across social media were hyping it up, promising incredible profits. It was the opportunity he couldn't afford to miss. Ollie quickly transferred all his savings into the meme coin. For the next few days, the price soared. With every refresh of his phone, the numbers went higher. The excitement filled him. He dreamt of a better life for his family, a future without struggle. He felt like he was on the brink of something big, something life-changing. But then, without warning, everything changed. Ollie refreshed his phone screen, only to find that the coin's price had crashed to zero. Panic set in. The page displayed an error message, rug pulled. The promises of riches vanished in an instant. Ollie stared at the phone in disbelief. His hard-earned money, the money he had saved for so long, was gone. The developers had disappeared, leaving nothing behind but a broken promise. Ollie was left with nothing but regret. Days passed, but the crushing feeling of regret never left Ollie. He isolated himself from the world, feeling completely alone in his loss. His dreams had been shattered, and now, all he could do was watch others share their stories of being scammed by rug pulls just like his. The emptiness he felt was overwhelming. As he scrolled through social media, seeing others' posts, he realized he wasn't alone, but the pain didn't lessen. He couldn't shake the feeling of failure. Ollie's dreams were no longer bright. They were clouded by the weight of his decision. He wondered if there was any way to start over, to rebuild his future. Then, one day, Ollie discovered something new, AZM Meme Army. This community promised to launch 100 meme coins, all with fair launches and no rug pulls. For the first time in days, Ollie felt a spark of hope. This was different. AZM Meme Army wasn't like the other projects he had encountered. It was a movement focused on transparency and fairness. No scams, just real opportunities. Ollie dove into learning more about the community, its vision, and its promise to help investors avoid the painful mistakes he had made. He joined the AZM Meme Army with a renewed sense of purpose. This time, he would invest smarter. He would invest wisely. Meme coins should be fun, not painful. AZM Meme Army is here to launch 100 fair meme coins, all designed with the community's trust and success in mind. No rug pulls, just real gains. Ollie's hope was restored, and he was ready to share this message with the world. Don't fall for rug pulls. Join AZM Meme Army, a community where meme coins are safe, transparent, and profitable. Now, Ollie's future is brighter, and so can yours. With AZM Meme Army, you could take part in a movement that promises fair opportunities for all. Invest wisely, join the community, and become part of something that's here to stay. Loudspeaker, join us today and be a part of the AZM Meme Army revolution in a better way.